name is Donnie McLaughlin, and I am the general manager here at ABC Window Cleaners. ABC Window Cleaners is a full-service residential and commercial cleaning company. We range from window cleaning, gutter cleaning, pressure washing, hard floors, repairs like strip wax, carpet cleaning, washing and buffing, and janitorial. It's more of a convenience for any kind of customer who doesn't have to call multiple companies to get certain services done. We can kind of provide pretty much anything you would need within the range. You know, a lot of our employees have been here between 5 and 10 years, so we have a lot of dedicated employees, so we don't have much of a high turnover rate. But we stand behind our quality, and every employee is dedicated to the customer and the job just as much as the business. Everybody is close here. The owners, it's always been a family-owned business. It's never been a union or a corporation. So we've all been tight-knit, and everybody takes care of each other. We work with a lot of general contractors who are on push projects and manage to come in at the last minute, get them taken care of. We'll pull strings, move things around, and get everything taken care of as best as we can for them on a prompt notice.